welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be looking at DJI's Osmo Mobile 3 combo. And so I will be putting the link in the description below so you can buy it yourself. And so this is what it looks like. So if you don't know what this thing is, it is a gimbal for smartphones, mostly iPhones, but it does work with Androids too. And so it's a smart gimbal that you can use with only one hand. That's what DJI's goal was to do with the Mobile 3. So they made a lot of different kinds of shortcuts with the DJI. So today I'm going to be showing you those shortcuts, and I'm going to show you how to get this to work. And also something else I need to tell you about DJI. So DJI is a company that makes a lot of different kinds of stuff, mostly drones, and they're more famous for their drones. But they made cool gimbals. Like they made Osmos that are pretty cool. They made the Osmo Mobile 1, Mobile 2, and Mobile 3. This is the Mobile 3. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get this to work and the tips. So the first thing we want to do is we want to open this up. So what you want to do is you want to find where the USB-C is, and you want to hold that handle. And then you want to find where the phone holder that says DJI on it with the arrow on top of it. You want to hold that, and then you just want to pull it apart like that. And as you can see right now, it's a little wiggly, but don't worry because it's supposed to be wiggly right now. But when it's all ready, it won't be wiggly anymore, and it'll look really nice. Turn on the Osmo. You want to hold the M button right here. So hold it, 1, 2, 3. And it should have a green light right here. And this should start to move a little bit. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to set that aside. Now you want to get out your mobile phone. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is you want to go to the DJI Mimo app on the App Store or Google Play. Then you want to press when you download it, and then you press open. And then press agree. Here, and there's all these policies. Allow, okay. There you go. And now you want to make sure your DJI Mobile 3 is on. And once it is, you go to the camera icon in the top left corner. And it says Osmo founded. And then press OK. And then it should bring you to the camera. And as you can see, it's on the camera icon right now. If it says phone not mounted, it's okay. Just press the X button. And yeah, that's really how to get onto the camera. So the first trick I'm going to show you guys is how to put your camera in landscape mode and put it back. So to put it in landscape mode, you double tap this M button. You double tap it, and it puts it in landscape mode. And to put it back, you just double tap it again, and it goes back. And now another trick I'm going to show you is how to take out your phone from a better angle than this. So to do that, you want to triple tap the M button actually. Triple tap it, and it puts it in this angle. There will be a notice up here though saying that it's Osmo's in standby mode. Press trigger twice to resume. So you press trigger twice, puts it back. Or if it's like that, you can triple tap the M button again. Yeah. And the next trick I'm going to show you is how to keep your camera still, even by moving the stick right here. So to keep it still, it's not really a trick. You just move it up like that. Yeah. But if it blocks it, you can switch the camera. And that's the next trick I'm going to show you, how to switch cameras. So to switch cameras, you want to, on the back over here, there's the trigger. You want to triple tap the trigger. And you can, and yeah, it switches cameras. So yeah, and the last trick I'm going to show you is how to use your M button a little better than you can already use it. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to the top right corner where it has the 3 dots. click that, and you want to click the button that has the camera with the line on top of it. It should be in the middle on the top. And then you want to go to press M button. You click the button that says switch photo/recording. It should be a drop down menu. I already pressed quick menu, but then now you press quick menu, and now you can get out of it. And now watch this. So now every single time I press the M button down here, it will bring up this screen where you can choose which mode you want. So if I want a photo, I'm going to scroll up to photo. And now it's in story mode, which is a cool mode. I'll show you in a second. So if you want to go to photo right here, you want to go click the M button and it'll select photo. If you want the video, you scroll down to video right here, press the M button and it'll select the video. Now I'm going to show you what story mode is. And another trick I'm going to show you is, so on your DJI, so sometimes your phone might be like 3%, 4% or something like that. But let's say you're doing a vlog outside and you don't have that long. So so there's no outlet. So on the side over here, it has the Bluetooth symbol. You can take that off like that. There you go. And it has a USB in it. This will only work if the Osmo is charged and if it's on. If it's not on, then it won't work. So as you can see right now, so yeah, there's a USB, and then you can plug in your charger, so then your phone can be charging while you're using it. You might want a little cable though, so then it's not like so then the cord's not dangling. But yeah, that's how you charge it. Okay, and the last trick I'm going to show you guys is what story mode is. So if you go choose the mode story mode, it will automatically go into landscape mode. So I'm gonna put mine like this right now, and when I go to story mode, select it, it automatically does that. And all the story modes have music added to them. And there are a bunch of them that you can do, like there's fashion. So all these have music into them. So if you're like a big social media person and you do this kind of stuff, this would be amazing for you. So I'm going to test out this one to show you guys it. It will automatically move it itself. So I'm going to press start. So it will automatically move itself. So once you press the record button, it will move it on its own. So like, it says 3, 2, 1, it counts down, and then it should move on its own. As you can see, it made a cool video, and then we're gonna press next, and it's on this one, so press record. And it's diagonal right now. So it's supposed to look like this, and then let's press next. Record. All of them are really different. And at the end, it'll show a weird story. So let's press record. Okay, and there you go. Now after that we press preview. And there it's supposed to create like a story kind of thing. And then like at the end you can press save at the top to save it. And at the end it has DJI, it has the DJI symbol right there. So yeah, that'll be a nice thing to use if you like social media a lot. So there you go. That's how you use story. And thank you for watching and have a lovely day.